GoTo Resolve versus TeamViewer, which is better for remote IT support. If you're looking for the best remote IT support tool, then you're in the right place. GoTo Resolve and TeamViewer are two popular options, but is one really better than the other? Stick around as we compare their features, pricing, and performance to help you make the best choice. Let's start with the basics. Both of these tools are designed to make remote IT support seamless. However, they each bring something different to the table. GoTo Resolve shines with its simple, intuitive interface that makes remote IT support easy, even for non-tech-savvy users. But while it's great for small to medium-sized businesses, its support options are a bit limited compared to TeamViewer, especially when it comes to global accessibility. Next, let's talk about performance. TeamViewer is widely recognized for its stability and speed across a variety of devices and networks. It's known for being incredibly reliable, especially when dealing with larger organizations that require a robust solution. On the flip side, GoTo Resolve does offer solid performance, but can struggle with handling more complex IT issues or a high volume of support requests, which is where TeamViewer excels. Now, the third thing to consider is security. GoTo Resolve offers essential security features like end-to-end encryption and multi-factor authentication, which are crucial for IT support. TeamViewer also has strong security protocols, including two-factor authentication and a secure remote connection, but some users have reported vulnerabilities in the past that could make you hesitant. If security is a top concern for your business, you might want to explore these differences closely before making a choice. Next up, let's look at the pricing. GoTo Resolve offers a more affordable plan, especially for small businesses that need basic remote support features. TeamViewer, however, is priced higher, but it provides a more comprehensive set of features, including cross-platform compatibility, unattended access, and more integrations. If you need a budget-friendly option with decent features, GoTo Resolve could work, but if you're looking for a more complete package with advanced capabilities, TeamViewer might be worth the extra investment. The fifth thing to note is customer support. GoTo Resolve provides 24/7 support, which is a plus for small businesses who need quick resolutions. However, TeamViewer's support team tends to be more responsive and knowledgeable, especially when dealing with complex IT issues. That said, both platforms offer decent support, but you might find TeamViewer more reliable if you're dealing with critical IT problems. And here's the open loop. While both GoTo Resolve and TeamViewer are solid options, there's a competitor you might want to consider that outshines both in terms of value and functionality. So, which one is truly better for remote IT support? It really depends on your needs. GoTo Resolve is a great option for those on a budget or small businesses that don't need all the bells and whistles. TeamViewer, however, is a more robust solution for companies needing advanced features and a stronger track record. But there's one alternative you should know about. I'll mention an exclusive, extended free trial that will give you access to a more powerful solution, along with some amazing benefits that GoTo Resolve and TeamViewer can't match. You'll find a link in the description for that exclusive deal, along with other great options that could be a better fit for your IT support needs. Make sure you check out the link below for your best free trial and exclusive benefits.